Hello and welcome to another glass of bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Castaway cocktail. So let's get started. First, what you're going to need is some rum liqueur. And now this one is coconut and vanilla, so it's perfect for this, and it's from Manchester Drinks Spiced Rum. Love these drinks, they really are nice. So you're going to want to get 15 mils. As our glass is a little thinner, we're not going to need as much liquid. So then now we're going to want 30 mils of pineapple and coconut juice. This was very interesting when I saw it in the shops. So I have to give that a try. Just 5 more mils in there. And then we just give this a little shake, just to mix it together. Now open that up and that's all done in there. But first we need to get some crushed ice. Now I'm going to be using the ice crushing machine from VonShef. Pour the ice up top, close it up, make sure this is in here and start spinning. After some spinning time you will be done, so then you just take out your ice here, that's a perfect amount, and we just want to fill up our glass to keep it chilled and have a nice effect. Fill it all the way to the top. There we go. Put that back in there. Now we're going to want to pour it in our shaken liquid. Look at that, it's wonderful. Now we're going to want to top up with some sparkling wine. This is Preja, this is Italian sparkling wine. Now this Italian sparkling wine won a silver medal in the classic and elegant category at the World's Finest Glass of Bubbly Awards 2019. There we go, lovely. And just only a little bit. Once that settles down, just add a little bit more, just not a lot. And then we go. Add in a nice little straw and then an umbrella. And there you have it, the Castaway cocktail.